Whether you're saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or just trying to stretch your paycheck a little further, these 5 easy tricks will help you save money fast. So make sure to stick around until the end, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more money-saving tips. Let's kick things off with our first trick, creating a budget and tracking your spending. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Budgeting can feel tedious or overwhelming, but stick with me. It's one of the most effective ways to take control of your finances and start saving money. First, grab a notebook or open a budgeting app on your phone. The first step is to list all sources of income you receive each month. This includes your salary, any side gigs, freelance work, or even passive income. Knowing what you have coming in is crucial for understanding how much you can afford to spend. Next, list all of your fixed monthly expenses. This includes rent or mortgage, utilities, car payments, insurance, and any other regular bills. After that, move on to your variable expenses like groceries, dining out, entertainment, and shopping. Here's where it gets interesting. Track every single expense for a month, no matter how small. You might be surprised by how fast the little things add up. As you collect this data, categorize your spending into different sections. This will help paint a clearer picture of where your money's going. Are there specific categories where you're overspending? Maybe it's on takeout meals, online shopping, or those monthly subscription services you barely use. Now that you have this overview, it's time to set spending limits for each category. Create a realistic budget that aligns with your financial goals. For example, if you spend $300 on dining out and want to cut that down, try to aim for $200 next month and challenge yourself to stick to it. Remember, a budget isn't a fixed rule, it's a living document. Review it regularly, especially at the end of the month. Analyze what worked and what didn't, and make adjustments accordingly. This reflective practice turns budgeting into a powerful tool that improves your financial literacy and decision-making. And here's a pro tip. Make savings a non-negotiable line item in your budget, just like rent or utilities. Decide on a percentage of your income that you will automatically save each month and treat it as an essential expense. You can even set this amount to be transferred directly into a savings account as soon as you get paid. The act of budgeting not only helps you save money, but also empowers you to make informed financial decisions. So start today. Set aside some time to create your budget, track your spending, and watch your savings grow. Now let's move on to trick number 2, the 30-day rule. This is an incredibly simple yet powerful technique that can help you curb impulse buying and ultimately save money. We live in a consumer-driven world where the instant gratification of purchasing something new can be tempting. Whether it's that trendy gadget, a flashy outfit, or even a subscription service, it's easy to make impulsive decisions that can disrupt your budget and drain your savings. That's where the 30-day rule comes in. The premise is straightforward. Whenever you feel the urge to buy something that isn't a necessity, an item you want but don't need, commit to waiting 30 days before making that purchase. This applies to anything from a pair of shoes you spotted online to a fancy kitchen appliance that's caught your eye. So what do you do during those 30 days? First, make a note of the item you're considering buying. This could be as simple as adding it to a list on your phone or screenshotting it. As the days pass, give yourself space to reflect on the desire for that item. During this waiting period, ask yourself a few key questions. 1. Do I need this? 2. Consider if this purchase will provide genuine value to your life. Often, our initial excitement fades when we step back and evaluate the item critically. 3. Will I still want this in 30 days? 4. Time is a great filter. A month is long enough for the novelty of an impulse buy to wear off, revealing if it's something you'll genuinely use or appreciate. 5. Can I use what I already have instead? 6. Before buying something new, think about whether you can achieve the same result with what you already own. This encourages resourcefulness and often reveals that the new item isn't necessary. First, let's take a moment to recognize how many subscriptions you might have. It's all too common to sign up for streaming services, meal delivery kits, fitness apps, or even premium versions of everyday apps without thinking of the long-term costs. So the first step in cutting unnecessary subscriptions is to conduct a thorough review of everything you're currently subscribed to. Start by checking your bank and credit card statements for recurring charges. Make a list of every subscription you find, be it for entertainment, lifestyle, or productivity. Include items like Netflix, Spotify, gym memberships, or even software subscriptions. You'll likely be surprised at how many you've accumulated. Next, evaluate each subscription on your list. Ask yourself a few important questions. 1. How often do I use this service? 2. A good rule of thumb is that if you're not using a subscription at least once a week, it may not be worth keeping. If you're only using a service a few times a year, consider whether it's worth the monthly fee. 3. Does this service bring me joy or value? 4. Take time to assess whether the subscription meets a genuine need in your life. Does it enhance your daily routine or bring you happiness? If the answer is no, it might be time to let it go. 5. Can I find a cheaper or free alternative? 6. For many subscription services, there are often free options or significantly cheaper alternatives available. For example, consider whether you can find your favorite shows on free streaming platforms or use free gym resources like YouTube fitness channels instead of paying for a premium fitness app. Once you've evaluated each of your subscriptions, it's time to make some tough choices. Identify which services you absolutely love and use regularly. For those that don't meet your needs or align with your financial goals, cancel them. Doing this will not only free up monthly cash, but will also reduce clutter in your life, both mentally and financially. After you've cut back on subscriptions, consider creating a subscription budget. This is a specific amount you're willing to spend on subscriptions each month, which will help you manage how much you spend in this category going forward. For example, if you decide you want to keep one streaming service and a couple of app subscriptions, set a cap on the total amount you'll spend in this area. This will keep you accountable and encourage you to choose only the subscriptions that truly add value. Additionally, automate reminders to review your subscriptions at least once every few months. Life changes, and so do our needs and interests. Regularly reassessing your subscriptions will help prevent new unwanted charges from creeping into your budget. The impact of cutting unnecessary subscriptions can be substantial. Imagine what you could do with the money you free up. You might direct those funds toward building an emergency fund, investing in experiences, or saving for that dream vacation. Finally, let's explore trick number 5, using cashback apps. This simple yet effective strategy can turn your everyday spending into savings, allowing you to earn money back on purchases you're already making. In today's world, where online shopping is more popular than ever, cashback apps can be a fantastic way to get more value from your purchases. These apps work by offering you a percentage of your money back when you shop through their platforms. It's like receiving a small reward for spending money, and every little bit adds up. So, how do you get started with cashback apps? First, you'll want to choose a few reputable cashback platforms to use. Popular options include Rakuten, Ibotta, and Honey. Each app has its unique features, so it's a good idea to explore a couple of them to see which ones fit best into your shopping habits. Once you've selected your favorite apps, the next step is to create an account. Signing up is typically quick and easy, and many apps offer bonuses for new users to get you started. For instance, you might earn a cash bonus just for making your first purchase through the app. After setting up your account, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with how each app works. Some cashback apps require you to shop through their website or app to earn cash back, while others allow you to scan your receipts after shopping. With apps like Ibotta, you can unlock cashback offers before you shop, while others will reward you based on your overall spending habits. As you start using cashback apps, make it a habit to check them before making any purchase, whether online or in-store. By shopping through the app or using offers, you can automatically earn a percentage of your total spend back. This can range from just a few percent to upwards of 20% on select items, depending on the offers available at the time. In addition to cash back on everyday purchases, many cashback apps also partner with specific retailers for special promotions. Keep an eye out for these exclusive deals, as they can give you even greater rewards. For example, during holiday seasons or major sales events, retailers often increase their cashback percentages for limited timeframes. You can also combine cashback offers with coupons or cashback credit cards for double dipping. By layering rewards, you significantly enhance the amount of savings you can achieve from a single purchase. Once you've accumulated enough cash back through these apps, most will allow you to withdraw your earnings via PayPal, bank transfer, or even gift cards, often giving you the flexibility to redeem your savings in a way that works best for you. This immediate gratification can make saving money feel fun and rewarding. As with any financial tool, it's essential to remain disciplined. Cashback apps are designed to save you money on purchases you're already making, but it's crucial to stick to your budget and avoid overspending just to chase cashback rewards. Always ask yourself if you genuinely need the item you're purchasing. Lastly, consider sharing your experience with family and friends. By discussing how you save with cashback apps, not only do you encourage more mindful spending within your circle, but you may also unlock referral bonuses for both yourself and your friends. In summary, using cashback apps can transform your shopping habits, giving you more bang for your buck and turning everyday purchases into savings. So next time you're planning to shop, remember to launch your cashback apps first. It's a simple change that can lead to significant financial rewards over time. Start today and watch your savings grow effortlessly with each purchase you make. And that wraps up our 5 super easy tricks to save money fast. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring as you take control of your finances and work towards your savings goals. Remember, every little bit counts, and incorporating even a few of these strategies can make a big difference over time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might also benefit from these money-saving hacks. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips on saving, budgeting, and personal finance.